This method to clean bathroom tiles is 500 times more effective than any other product. There are many reasons to learn how to make multi-purpose household cleaners. For example, wanting a more natural disinfection at home, avoiding chemicals in the home, saving money, helping the environment, etc. In the following video you will learn some of the advantages of making natural products to clean, as well as some interesting recipe. Why use a home cleaner? It is much more affordable than those sold on the market. While it depends on the product and brand that we usually buy, homemade recipes have ingredients that are sure to have at home or are otherwise more than affordable. Also, since little will be used to clean with wonderful results, we will not have to rebuild more in several months. This translates to good news for our pocket. If your grandmother or your mother used to use vinegar or baking soda to clean the house, it is time to turn back time and repeat your steps. These two wonderful ingredients are the ones that should never be missing in your house, because they have 1,001 applications. In addition, mixing them with essential oils will have the perfect combination to eliminate germs, bacteria and dirt. Your house will be shiny and disinfected without using harmful chemicals. Why use white vinegar? White vinegar removes grease and dirt, dissolves mineral deposits, helps remove stains and breaks down odors. While it smells when it is wet, the smell disappears when it dries. Why use essential oils? Some essential oils, such as tea tree or eucalyptus, have antimicrobial properties, which means they help to inhibit the growth of disease-causing microorganisms. They also add a pleasant aroma to the mixture and plug the vinegar. Why use baking soda? It is a powerful deodorant and stain remover with antibacterial properties. A basic ingredient in household cleaning.